Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. Do this now so you control limits. Choose whether this is your iPad or your child's iPad because that changes available options. Once selected, enable Screen Time and immediately create a Screen Time passcode to prevent changes. Make it different from your device passcode. This initial setup is quick but crucial. Without the passcode, limits can be bypassed. So confirm the code and proceed to configure downtime and app limits next. Now you configure the middle controls that actually reduce use. First, set downtime hours when only allowed apps can run and pick start and end times for weekdays and weekends. Next, add app limits. Select categories like social networking or specific apps, assign daily minutes or hours, and choose custom schedules if needed. Make sure to set always allowed apps like phone or maps so critical functions remain available. Once configured, Screen Time enforces these rules automatically. Review limits weekly to fine-tune them. Finish by reviewing usage reports to see where time goes and adjust limits accordingly. This helps you understand behavior rather than guess. If you manage a child, enable family sharing to set controls remotely and approve requests. Make sure Screen Time Sync is on for linked devices so rules apply everywhere. If rules aren't applying, first restart the iPad. If problems persist, reset the Screen Time passcode in Settings or sign out and back into iCloud. One troubleshooting tip: toggling Screen Time off then on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.